Hey there, let's go ahead and continue our Google Ads course. So far in the course we've prepped the ads and launched a test run. Now we're analyzing the data. I structured the course this way on purpose so I could show you the nuances using real examples. It just sticks better that way. Back when we were grouping keywords and creating ads, I told you how crucial relevance is. It gets you more leads for the same budget. But Google loves to mess with our logic. I'm going to show you how to force it to show the exact ads we want and send people to the exact page we planned, instead of whatever its dumb AI brain decided. In this lesson we're talking about negative sculpting at the campaign level. We have 3 campaigns: pedicure, nail and manicure. To make this clear, I'll hop into editor and open the keywords section. The manicure campaign has keys with the word manicure. The pedicure campaign has keys with pedicure, and the nail campaign has keys containing nail. Each campaign leads to a different landing page. Logic says if someone types manicure, they see a manicure ad and land on the specific target page. That's how it should work everywhere. But let's look at reality. Let's go to the search terms section. I'll select the search Miami nail campaign. Now look at these 2 queries: best pedicure Miami and best pedicures near me. Why is Google showing these for the keyword nail salon when we have way more relevant keywords? We literally have the exact keyword best pedicures near me in the search Miami pedicure campaign. Or look at this, to the same nail salon key, it matched express gel manicure price and French manicures, even though we have a separate campaign for manicure. Here's the fix. This is exactly where I use campaign level negative sculpting. Before, when we added negatives, we were blocking stuff we didn't want to show for at all. Now we're adding keywords from one campaign as negative keywords in another campaign. This forces Google to do exactly what we intended. I select the search Miami nail campaign, click add negative keyword, and ensure I'm adding a campaign level negative keyword. On the right, I type pedicure and hit enter. I do the same for the word manicure. Now I'm 100% sure the search Miami nail campaign won't trigger for pedicure or manicure queries anymore. People will see the relevant ads and land on the corresponding pages. I just added them one by one. But if you have a ready list, you can use the Make Multiple Changes button to bulk add them, just like we did in the previous lesson. Ideally, to play it safe, you could add main keywords from all other campaigns to every single campaign. But I rarely obsess over it. I usually only do this sculpting when I see the mess in the search terms report, like I just showed you. Let's do some sculpting between the manicure and pedicure campaigns. This time we'll use copy and paste just to switch it up. I highlight the word pedicure and copy it. Go to the manicure campaign and paste it. Editor asks if I want to add as campaign level negative keywords to search Miami manicure. It understood correctly, that's what we need, so I click OK. Now I copy manicure, go to the pedicure campaign and paste it just the same way. OK, done. That is what our negative sculpting looks like. You can hit post and send the campaigns to the server. I won't do it now. You know the drill from previous lessons. If you have questions about this lesson, drop them in the comments. In the next lesson, we're doing a full deep dive analysis of the campaigns. It's going to be interesting. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson. Think bigger and make money.